And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 203. Let me show you how you can use this path offset to create a multi-stroke text effect. And this is actually more stable than the multi-stroke effect that I've shown you in an earlier video in this Illustrator playlist. I believe in the last video I haven't used Myriad Pro. It should be right here, Baskerville. I believe that's the one, so I'm going to stick with it. And under effect path, we'll find the offset path, so you can make that thicker. And this actually generates an outline, but it has the same aesthetic as a stroke. And we can use that principle now. What we need is the appearance menu right here. Select your text, and by default, you shouldn't see anything here. Just click on New Fill, and then you can change the fill color right there. There's a stroke above, just ignore it. What we do is we create yet another fill. So click on this icon down here, the second one at the bottom left of this menu. Give it a different color, and you should not be able to see it, because the reddish one here is on top of the orange. Therefore, one fill paints over the other. We go now to the orange one, and then we go to Effect and use Offset Path. And now you can see where this goes. This creates the offset with the orange color, and therefore we can now see it. Then we go to 5 pixels, and now I create another fill. Then we make that yellowish. And I make this one pinkish so that we can clearly see which is which. We want to go to the one that's not visible, in this case the pinkish one. Use the offset, make it twice as big as the previous offset. And then the yellowish one I need to drag here on top of the pinkish one. And now we can see 2 stroke outlines and the fill color red. That was the one that we've started with. So this is the principle. Let me do it again. So I'll delete right here the fills. We only have the fill for our text. That's our starting point. And now create as many fills as you need strokes. So let's say 3. So I click 3 times here for new fill. And I give that different colors. The one on top we keep reddish, and then I go step by step towards orange and yellow. Now that we've got it, you go from top to bottom with the second one, path offset, and here we start with 5 pixels, so the smallest value. Then we go to the next one, we go step by step as I've said downwards, and I double it to 10, and the final one at the bottom gets 15. And if I zoom in, you can see 3 strokes and the fill. So this is the principle that you use. You go from smallest to biggest, top to bottom, and then change the colors. The end result doesn't give you any fragments like the previous method that we've had, so you can add as many strokes as you want. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.